You searched how to buy shares of Virgin Galactic Holdings Inc., a company developing commercial suborbital spacecraft and human space experiences. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker SPCE, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy SPCE, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SPCE to locate the company listing. Select the result for Virgin Galactic Holdings Inc. to open the asset page. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart, so confirm the company name and NASDAQ listing. Verify the ticker reads SPCE to make sure you have the correct stock. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. After the order executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description for a link to eToro if you want to visit the platform.